In this video, I'm going to show you what this little secret button on the PS5 is actually used for. If you ever remove the PlayStation 5 side cover, you're going to notice several very important key components of the PS5 console. The cooling fan, which of course helps regulate the system temperature, the SSD expansion slot for upgrading the PS5 system storage, and this, a little plastic tab located on the disk drive. If for some reason you ever needed to manually eject a disk from the PS5, you can do so by using the turn switch hidden behind this plastic cover. It looks and is shaped like a button, but it's actually a tamper-evident seal that hides a screw which controls the disk drive. According to Sony, some newer PS5 consoles might not have the plastic cover, but it's important to know that if you do see this, you actually have to push through it in order to control the disk drive, and you can do so very easily by using a No. 1 Phillips screwdriver. Of course, if you happen to have the PS5 digital edition, you will not have this feature for obvious reasons. But just to walk you through step by step, you need to first make sure all the cables are first disconnected from the PS5, place one hand at the top of the corner and one at the bottom to remove the cover, then locate the plastic seal on the disk drive and use a No. 1 Phillips screwdriver to push through and break the seal. Next, turn the screwdriver in a clockwise direction to remove the disk from the console. Continue doing this until the disk is all the way out. Do not force or pull the disk from the optical drive. And once the disk has been removed, you are now good to reattach the cover and reconnect the cables to the console. But now you know exactly what to do if for some reason your PS5 won't eject game disks. Again, just take a Phillips screwdriver, push through the plastic cover to locate the screw, and turn clockwise until the disk is removed. It's that simple. If you guys enjoyed this video and found it useful or at least interesting, make sure to leave a like rating, comment below to let me know what you think, and as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys next video. Boys.